So we are doing some cabinet prep. So just doing a quick video, Jerry's showing how he masks off boxes prior to us painting. So it's kind of nice. We have to empty everything that's in there. All he's going to do is mask everything off the paper. And then once we start painting, we don't have to worry about taking anything off. When we're done painting, we just take the paper out and we're all said and done. Good thing is you don't have to empty it. The bad thing is you don't have access to your cabinet stuff for a couple days while we're doing all our paint work. But pretty quick and easy. He's got this pretty much down to a science, so it's pretty kind of fun to watch him how fast he goes on there. I'm gonna make him nervous as he's not wearing a D'Franco shirt today, so you can make some comments on that one today. So we're using the frog tape 2-inch, just brown paper for the floors. And we actually started using washi tape. We get it at JC Licht. Actually stuff, it's like a rice paper, but it works really, really well. I don't know, I think it works. Between that and frog tape, the two of them work really good together. They're good, kind of a 1-2 combo in all of our cabinet stuff. There you go. Jerry with masking out cabinet boxes. So all these cabinet boxes will be done. Same thing, same way. So you can see how fast he's gotten with those. And he'll put one more piece of tape on there to mask that gap just in case any kind of tape or any kind of overspray it can't get in there. And don't trip on the ladders. You guys questions about painting cabinets, refinishing cabinets, give us a call to D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.